Hi, welcome. Simon here. In this video, I'll be replacing a cracked screen on an iPhone XX Max. So let's jump right into it. The first thing is to remove the two screws here right next to the charging port. They are Pentalope P2 0.8 star looking shape screws right next to the charging port. So let's go ahead and remove them. Get a metal prying tool, go in between the phone. I am going to cut the adhesive. Adhesive is the one that is prevent the dust getting into the phone. The next step is to go ahead and let's see what is this, the Y screwdriver, the little tri-shaped screwdriver. So let's remove some of the screws here. So there are 4 screws holding down the bracket. We should disconnect the battery, which is this one here. That is to hold onto the battery. Once the battery is disconnected, I'm going to work on the remaining 3 screws here. Get a plastic prying tool, get in between the connector and disconnect. So you want to be very careful on the last cable here, because this cable here is attached and taped onto the camera flex cable. So it's taped onto that part. When you remove it, just got to be careful. You do not want to yank and break everything all together. Okay, so the next process is to transfer the front proximity sensor, the ear speaker, onto the replacement screen. I just want to double check and make sure the screens, this is the right model. Yep, it is. There are 3 screws holding down the proximity sensor. And since the crack happened to be right next to the front camera, the bracket here just came off together in one piece. So you might want to gently separate them if you do not want to transfer the plastic camera. But since for my case that plastic does not comes with it, I'll be moving entirely just the whole thing like this. Before I do that, I need to remove the cover here. Just position the connector back together. They are like Lego, they snap onto it. Do not force it in. All you have to do is just position them carefully and just press it down gently to close it. Make sure you do not force by pressing it too hard because you may bend the connector. Do not let that happen. I'm using the Pry screwdriver, the Y-shaped screwdriver here. Okay, let's try to turn on the phone. I can see the Apple logo comes on. While the thing is still booting up, I am going to finish up putting all the screws here. Okay, that looks good. Let's slide in from the top. Press it down on the side. And once it's all in, go ahead and put the two screws back. And that should be it. Okay. Hopefully this video helps. All the numbers are working. Good to go. Thanks for watching. Until next time. Bye now.